Today we're going to be reading a story called Where is Wiggly the Star? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Wiggly the Star is lost. Can you help find him? Is this Wiggly the Star? No, this is not Wiggly the Star. This is Jumpy the Star. Wiggly the Star is lost. Can you help find him? Is this Wiggly the Star? No, this is not Wiggly the Star. This is Blinky the Star. Wiggly the Star is lost. Can you help find him? Is this Wiggly the Star? Yes, this is Wiggly the Star. Can you remember all the friends we met? We met Jumpy the Star and Blinky the Star. Thank you for helping us find Wiggly the Star. The